Part 1. Let us discuss in this part about habitat. What is meant by habitat? Before going to the lesson, let us observe the following picture. What do you see in this picture? We can see two children playing in water and different types of organisms around them, such as lotus, grass, frog, stone, and the fly flying over the water. These are all different type of organisms which are living in the same place. Now, we will see the organisms which are not visible to our eyes but are also present in water. If you see here, these are the eggs of snail on the leaf of the lotus, and on the other side, these are the eggs of fish inside the water. These are also the living organisms which are living in water. Now, if you see the picture, there are different types of organisms living inside the water. They live inside the water, breathe inside the water throughout their life. But if you compare the other picture where there is a human being inside the water, they cannot live inside water for a longer time. A human being can live in water for a shorter period and again come to the surface to breathe. So, how is it possible for these organisms to live inside water for a lifetime? Whereas a human being cannot live inside water for a long time. What is the difference between organisms living in water and organisms living on land? Is there any difference between their respiration systems or in their body? These are all explained by the place where they live. Now, let us see different types of animals and organisms living on Earth. For example, kangaroo, mouse, sheep, bear, wolf, penguin, bird, snake, snail, lion, deer, cow, elephant, hamster, gorilla, horse, goat, monkey, rabbit, zebra, tiger, pig, giraffe, and turtle. These are some of the organisms living on the line or inside the land. Now you can see the plant here, which is lotus, living on the surface of water. Whereas this is a fish which is living inside water. Therefore, there are different types of organisms living which live in different places like on the land, inside the land, in the water or on the surface of water. Now, can you assume which organism lives in which place? Is there any modification for all these organisms to live in different places? Let us see how.